Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, wherever you are. Today we will make the right burger or delicious burger, and today I will show you for the step. I will show you for the ingredients. First, we have bread, and the next we got a beef, and the next we got a cheese, and the next we got a mustard green, and next we got the cucumber, and we got a butter, we got a sausage, and we got a mayonnaise. Step 2. Fry the prepared meat wait until it's brown. We fry the meat until brown. Step 3. Cut bread while waiting for the meat to cook. For the next step, leave the meat if it's brown. For the next step, leave the meat if it's brownish. For the next step, you need to fry the bread for 2 minutes. If it's been fried for 2 minutes, then remove and then put the bread to the pan and drain the bread. For the last step, we need to put the ingredients to the bread. We must put the first we must put the hot sauce to the bread. And half of bread we put the mayonnaise. After we put the mayonnaise, I will put the meat to the bread like this, and the next the mustard greens. You can use the other vegetable like a salad salada in Indonesia. I use this for 2 slices. Put them in there. Because I like a cucumber, I put the cucumber 2 slices in there. And I'm so like to cheese, cheese. This is I'm so love the cheese. I'm use the cheese for one slice, just 1 slice, because I don't want too much eat the cheese, because it's like forget it. For the last step in it, I put the 2 slices again for the cucumber in the top, and now here we go. This is my burger. Because it's already at the end of video, and because we were hungry too, and thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Ya, perkenalkan, nama saya Muhammad Alwan. Saya sebagai editor.